Let's make a hair organizing station. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessing Scrap Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we're going to start with these two little wood boxes from Dollar Tree. I paint them all white, the front and the sides and the back, not the inside. I didn't do that. Then I let it dry, and now I'm using a foam brush, and I'm using some antiquing wax, and I'm just feathering the edges just to make it look like it's really distressed and kind of like a vintagey wood kind of thing. You don't have to do this part, but I think it adds to it. I think it looks super pretty. I do each side only because I know that all sides aren't going to be visible, but I like to have options. I don't know about you, but I like to which one is better. And I do the same thing on the sides. I don't bother doing anything on the bottom though. Let that dry. While that's drying, I found this little mat at Hobby Lobby. It was like $3 something. It was under $4. So we're going to use that. And I also have this, this was a previous project I had done, but it's like a box frame kind of thing. I think I got it at Michael's. See, it's like a pallet kind of thing. Any box frame would work. So what we're going to do is put our mat inside the box frame. And then I'm going to use my heavy duty stapler and I'm going to staple this down. Now, could you use glue? Sure. Could you use regular staples? I don't know. But adhere it however you'd like. The staples worked for me. So there's that. And I do it randomly. I just want to make sure that it's not going to pull up as we use our hair clips and stuff like that. And if you didn't know, I have a couple of girls and I also have longer hair, and we are constantly playing the where did our hair clip go, or it's fallen on the floor because there's so many of them. So we need a little organization going on for our hair supply stuff. So that's what we are doing here. So again, I'm just stapling every once in a while just to make sure that it's really adhered. I noticed that bottom part was visible with the boxes, so I chose to paint it. I'm using the chalk paint. The color I think is Java. Yes. So let that dry. Then we're going to get some Aleene's heavy duty glue. I can't use E6000, so I have to go with something that is less toxic or allergenic for us. So I put that on the ends, and I also did some hot glue. Then I also put that same permanent glue on the inside edge. Then we're going to put some more hot glue and some more of that permanent glue on the back side of our little boxes. And then we're going to add it to our box frame. And are you kidding me? Look at, now here we got our clips. We're going to put our clips on. Listen, I can't take credit for this idea. My daughter had this idea. She's so stinking smart. Love it. So look how cute this is though, right? We have a cute little organization station. Then we have we can put all of our little headbands on here. You can put all of your little rubber band parts or the smaller barrettes in it. Come on, like super cute, right? And this is what it looks like in my bathroom hanging up. How fun, right? I'm super excited about it. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.